Good morning, neighborhood community.
Morning.
So, I slept in on the bed again last night.
Is it better?
Yes. Yes. The animals were a little more chill about it.
Uh-huh.
Although Nora, wherever she is right now, is getting more and more curious about the lump that is under the blanket every time it moves. So, and every time she goes like this on it, it goes, "Arr!"
How does she know that it's Nora and not you?
I have no clue.
Because, I mean, I could pat her.
I know.
No issues.
Nora goes near her and she snaps. But we touch her, not a problem. Boomer steps on her, not a problem. Nora steps on her and she snaps.
Wow.
I don't get it. I don't get it. She has Nora radar. Noradar. She has Noradar. Anyway, I am cleaning this house today. It is disgustingly filthy.
It is?
In my eyes, it's
I know
disgustingly filthy.
Because it isn't really.
Yeah, it is. It's disgustingly filthy. So that's my job today, is cleaning. I might not get it all done in one day because of my shoulder, but I'll do as much as I possibly can. Yeah, I'll do as much as I possibly can. Kevin is going to go to the grocery store because we are pretty much out of everything.
That's right.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go out at all the last couple of days.
Yeah, so we just been potlucking.
It's this winter thing that...
What's that?
Just this cold and miserable winter thing.
It's been in the 40s.
It's
You've
terrible.
been going outside in -degree weather. It's in the 40s and you don't want to go out.
It is still... That's cold.
But you've been going out when it's colder.
When it's in the 70s, then we'll start talking.
So, other than going grocery shopping, what else were you going to do today? Do I want to ask?
It's just accounting, you know.
Tax stuff.
Tax stuff. Trying to figure out, because, I mean, we were running the business out of our personal checking for a little while.
So you got to divide all that out.
I got to figure that all out, and and I never got any accounting software, because I looked and I looked and I looked. If anybody knows of something cheap that's actually usable, I don't see accounting software out there except expensive stuff. Nowadays you can't buy anything, you have to rent it. And that's, to me, that's just such a huge waste of money. So
right now you're just breaking it out on
yeah,
the
I spreadsheets. And that's you know, time consuming.
But, you know, it's at least it's something that you can give to the accountant.
Yeah. So that's the problem. And of course I had to update my spreadsheets just to do that. So.
I caught you before you jumped.
And it's been years since I've done accounting, and I'm getting old, and it's just hard work for me. I'd rather be actually doing real physical work nowadays. Isn't that weird? I worked at a desk for 15 years, and I got to tell you, I hated it. And doing stuff around the house, building things, fixing things, is so much better for me. Gets me moving, gives me exercise, keeps the cats away from me.
No, it doesn't. He's right under your feet. He was getting ready to jump on your desk. That's why I...
Yeah, I wish he'd stop doing that. No matter how many times I tell him no, he'll do it anyway. So that's it.
Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna get started doing some stuff and see what I can do today.
Yay. Are you having trouble?
Well, this one won't let me make the bed. And look at the lint all over this.
We still have the lint brush we're supposed to mail to Megan.
Well,
we might as well use it since we have it.
Well, I ain't gonna sit here and lint brush this whole bed. You gonna do it?
No.
Then you're sleeping with lint because I don't sleep in here.
Can you just drag the cat across it? That might get rid of it.
Come here, Nora. Come here, Nora. Look, I got a wrinkle.
Oh my god, a wrinkle. Life's hard.
Can't have a wrinkle.
Alright, so it's actually surprisingly warm today. It says it's 52 degrees outside, the sun is out, and I would say it's a lot warmer inside this truck because of the sun beating down on it. Everything is melting, which is great. Gives me, makes me think that it's finally turning into spring. Had to go real slow because the road is covered in water and I didn't want to splash a pedestrian. That's the last thing I need is angry people in the neighborhood. And as I said, the streets have become narrow, pretty narrow because of the snow, and people are parking on the sides, which is actually the middle of the street. So, I'm on my way to Home Depot, on my way to Walmart because we have no food in the house at all. So I have to do a pretty big shopping, and it's a nice day for it. Don't have to bundle up, don't have to put on gloves and galoshes and whatever. Okay, so it's actually 56 degrees, and inside my truck it is hot. I'm almost considering putting on my air conditioner. So I'm finished at Walmart and the grocery shopping, and Val wants me to go to the local liquor store because she wants something for tonight's vlog. To drink, I guess. So, and I'm so used to in Southern California just buying it at Walmart, but you have to buy it at an actual state-run liquor store here. So, that's where I'm going next. It's the Thinker.
Do you like my diva waves? They're waves, not curls.
Waves?
Well, does it look wavy or curly?
It looks curly. I guess, what's the difference between a wave and a curl?
A wave is more like this, a curl is more like this.
I'd say it's curly.
Oh, okay. Well, how do you like my diva curls?
Is it the diva curls or the poo that you put into it?
It could be both. But, I'm getting ready for Friday night game night! Woohoo!
Yay.
Yay. I did a lot today.
I know you did. It got up to 62 degrees today.
Everything's melting.
Yes.
You can actually walk up our sidewalk.
Well, if you don't mind the waterfall that's coming down it.
Yeah. Have you checked the basement?
Yes, it's wet.
Is it?
Yeah. You know, it doesn't get wet when it rains, but when the snow melts, it gets wet. And there's actually a spot in the wall that you see bubbles, and it actually makes the little noises. It's like it's alive.
He's alive. I guess it's just because the ground is so saturated from it melting.
I guess. I need to... I know where it's coming out, so I think I can probably seal it, but...
You've got to wait till it dries.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what did you end up doing today?
I went to the store.
Yeah, you did a really good grocery shopping. We got food in the house.
Yeah.
So...
Unusual.
Should I do the game with a drink or wine ice cream? Maybe instead of tinking with a glass of, well, I wasn't going to have wine, I can tink with a spoon of ice cream. What do you think?
It's completely up to you, strange woman.
You're just figuring that out now?
Mm-hmm. I'm just making a point.
Very good point.
I almost finished a whole quart yesterday.
I know.
It was good.
A pint.
That's what I said.
Crazy man. So we're going to go ahead and call it an evening. Are you ready? Are you ready now? We hope you enjoyed a little bit of something that we saw in our video today. Take it away, Angel. And we'll see you all tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. Goodbye. Goodbye. I love you too. Bye, guys.
Bye, ya.